Alright. Hello guys. My name's Wes. I am what some people might know as Mr. Dice Guy. I make the dice that go on your valve caps and also for your brake cables and all that kind of stuff for these type of bikes here and these over here and here and here. Well, I got a new one in the box. This was a bargain price if I ever saw one. There's some parts on this bike that are, I would consider legendary because, go find some. They are the MX-60 wheels. They put them on a lot of the Moxie bikes, the suspension bikes from 60s. I'm not sure how late they made these wheels, but wait till you see them. They're not NOS, first off. That would be cool. However, they are original paint. This bike is original paint. It's got a lot of cool parts on it. I'm gonna change it up whenever I do the, I'm not gonna restore it, not gonna paint it, not gonna do any of those things, but I am going to go through the whole bike, change up the parts, because I'm personally more of the dirt bike style, you know, this is front suspension, triple tree motorcycle style. That's what I'm gonna do with this bike. But wait till you see this. Check it out. And it just came today, about 11:30. It's now 12:30. So I've been really itching to open this thing up. It's got like 9 miles of tape on it, so we may take a second here. All right, cool. All right, there's ones here. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera over here so you can see kind of what I see when I open the box. I mean, it's a huge box. All right, can you see what's under the covers? Sleeping giant here. Let's see if we can get in here and I can show you. All right, I'm gonna unwrap it. Looks like a letter in here. Huh. All right, I'll go over this here in just a bit. Looks like he's sent us a little bit of a history or a background on it too. All right, I'm gonna reposition the camera and I'll pull the bike out. That way we can see what we're looking at here. You're the first ones to see it. Well, with me as well, because I was able to peek through the side. I could see a little bit of yellow and that was really enough for me. Adjust this real quick because I don't want to lose you. All right. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull the bike out. I'm really curious to see what this says here. You can see he wrote a very detailed history of something there. So we're gonna go over that. This bad boy. Box hold it? That's the question. Looks like it will. Wow. Okay, if I had to guess, those look like red line bars. I don't see any stampings anywhere yet. Very cool. Check out these grips. See, this is stuff I didn't know about this bike. You know, some really cool grips. I mean, these are not repop of any sort. So let me show you real quick, and then we'll kind of go over that. I'm gonna flip the camera here. Let's see. How am I gonna do that? All right, we'll just do it this way because it's not working. So, look at those wheels. Got some, I'm not sure what these tires are. These are, I didn't see anything on them. I mean, they're not new by any stretch, but got a stabula fork on it. Check this out. This I did know about. See if you can see that. Well, that is a mongoose stem, but it's not like the steel one. This one's cast, and I don't know much history about it, but still very cool. Check out those levers. But look at the grips. I mean, you want a all original build. See if you can see the flags in there. Let's see. Not enough light. That's what we need. Okay, well, anyway, moving on. Here, looking at the frame. I mean, it's original paint. Obviously got everything that you would expect to see on an original paint. One that was probably used and abused. Nobody cared at the time. Somebody switched this out. It looks like a, I don't know. That looks like one of those 24, 26-inch beach cruiser styles, but not a big deal. We've got correct cranks that can go on that. Not sure what the arms are. They don't have stampings on them that I could see, but gotta love these. Look at that. Lightning, KKT Lightnings. All right, rolling right through here. I just can't get over the wheels. I'm just absolutely blown away. And it's got, looks like a 1000. Let's see all the stampings in it. Really cool. And then obviously it's got a good old, looks like probably a scrambler, Swin tire maybe, or something different, I'm not sure. And then rolling right across the top. That's cool. Look at that seat. I was really stoked to see that. I'm like, I'm all in. And you move around, you can kind of see it in here. Got a fluted seat post. Not, I guarantee you that's not something from China or wherever. That thing's beat up pretty good. But I was expecting to see a stamped seat post. It did not have one. That's the least of my worries. But check all that out. And really just tripping out on the brakes. It's got blue pads. Tell me that's not killer.